Hi kids, it's Uncle Kirk here. Got the first swarm of the season. It's a pretty big one. So I'm going to try and put it into a box. Who knows? Could go terribly wrong. Putting a few of these branches off because I've got to lift the whole thing up and shake it in there in a minute. And that's it there. That's a proper big swarm. In you go, girls. Oh, that's a lot of bees. Hopefully they think I'm a nice bloke. Got little mate, out you get. They'll all line up in a minute and head in. That's what we want. I just had to take a few frames out. It was such a big swarm, they wouldn't have all fitted straight in easily. Watch them all line up and march like ants. Anyway, we get back to work, put this lid on, we've got a new hive. Catch us next time. They're all going in there now, happy with their new home.